Alright guys, how's it going? Mono Dragon here again. This is going to be like the first test of my new microphone. I had to buy another mic because the back of mine, the cable, decided that it was going to start splitting. So I said I'll just buy one before it actually breaks. So I haven't actually tested it. I have it in the helmet a few days now. I love the old Mini. They're class cars. I'd love to buy one of them. But I don't know, if I was buying one of them, I think it'd have to be like Mr. Bean, you know? It'd have to look like his colours. But yeah, thank you for all the new subscribers coming. I put up that close call and every fucking channel under the sun like wants to feature it. So I said absolutely, because I want to hit 1,000 subs, so the more the better. It also sounds like I'm coming out with a cold. Annoying. I don't feel like I'm sick. I think it's just in my nose. It is fairly fucking cold. What's my bike say? My bike tells me the temperature 10 degrees. My hole, it's 10 degrees bike. Go home, you're fucking drunk. What I wanted to talk about was the Met Police in, is it London? I don't fucking know. I just seen Met Police. But they're ramming the scooter thieves off the bikes. And I'd say a good 80% of people that see it are going to be bikers, and they're going to be for it, or they know people that are victim to it, and they know the cops' hands are pretty much tied when it comes to pursuits with them and all. So now that they can ram them is pretty fucking cool, I'm not going to lie. Like, if someone ever stole my bike, I give everyone permission to ram the fucker off. Because if it's stolen, I don't think I'd want it back. Who knows what they'd do to it? You know, they're gonna fuck it up. They're gonna drive the shit out of it. They're gonna drop it. You know, they're not gonna care for it, obviously, because it's stolen. So I don't think I'd want it back. The fact that the police are able to ram people off the bikes now, you know, I think that's pretty fair, to be honest. I might actually start to teach them, you know, hey, bold, don't do that. It's gonna send out a message to them now, saying that if you're on a road bike, or if you're running from us, you know, we're gonna get you. We're gonna run you off the fucking road. And too fucking right. I think everywhere needs to do that. Ireland especially, because we have such an increase in bike theft, but there's nothing that can be done, because our laws are pretty much the same in England, because we were run by the fuckers. So we adopted most of our laws from them. And I think when it comes to theft like that, everyone's sick of it. You know, I'm afraid to leave my bike out, because if it gets nicked, I know I'm probably not going to be getting it back. Just like the video I put up about my mate who got bike jacked, and the cops were just like, meh, you know, sorry. And I go, what fucking attitude is that? At least now we can go, right, well, if we see it and they run, we're going to ram them. We'll get your bike back, but likely going to get them. They're also going to deter it, I think. I think a lot of people might be like, fuck, they can ram us now. Shit, this isn't good, because most of them are on mopeds, because they're very easy to steal. And, you know, most mopeds, unless you're going for like a Bergman or the T-Max or V-Max, T-Max, I always forget which one it is, you know, like the 400cc ones. Unless you're going for one of them, you're not going to have any speed, because they're all going to be 50cc 125s, you know. Traffic today is just very clustery. But personally, I think this is long needed, and I hope we adopt a similar tactic, because the way they're doing it is very, very fair, and I can understand that the cops at the end of the day do have a duty of care, and even though someone's a thief, they don't really want to have like a debt on their conscience, and especially because they could get sued like fuck and lose their job, you know, because people are arseholes and everyone will complain, the innocent thief and all that stuff, you know. didn't deserve it. He was a good kid. He was a good kid. I have been looking at the opinions and they are very divided. It's very strange, you know. I thought everyone would be for it, but obviously not. There's a lot of people that are giving out because they could hurt them and all this shit. It doesn't matter. Like put it this way, like in England, people, they have fucking hammers, they have acid, they're not afraid to use it. You know, in Ireland, we have a similar situation with, like, they have bats and hammers and shite. Like, would you grow a pair, stop being a pussy and get a real job, you know? My mini pooper, you weren't fucking letting me in anyway. You don't like me, you don't like the bikes. A lot of criminals, a lot of the thieves, they think they can get away with it now. They think they can get away with anything because, to be honest, they have. They've been getting away with it. There's been no repercussions. The very few that have been caught, in my opinion, they've been given really light sentences, you know, for what they're doing. There needs to be a heavier punishment, not just knocking them off the bike, but they have to go to prison for a considerable amount of time, I think. Because like, this is the worst thing, because, and like, it's because we're human, you know, it's just natural of us. The fact that, hey, I'm not going to get caught, I'm not going to get in trouble, and if I do, I'm not going to get hurt or anything. So they keep doing it. That's just the way we are, you know. Like, in real life situations, if something's very easy to do, you're going to keep doing it. If there's a hard way to do it, you're going to go the easy way. That's just normal, you know. It makes sense in life, but in some situations, like the whole, you know, stealing bike shit, or just stealing in general, you know, that mentality of, I'm not going to get caught, and if I do, it's not going to be that bad, you know. Like, that is the mentality they have, because the punishment isn't that high. At least now that the cops can use what they're calling tactical contact, the fact that they can use that now, I think, is going to deter them, and it's going to make them think. And then, on the other hand, I'm more worried now that they might be that bit more desperate to get away and try even more stupid shit. Like, they already, like, drive up on paths and, you know, pretty much anywhere that they can go that a cop can't. What's your opinion on it? What do you think? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it something that we should really all adopt? Personally, I think we should. I think we should all be doing something very similar. We need to deter these fuckers. And if you're not going to learn the easy way that stealing's wrong, you know, you're going to have to learn the hard way. But look, guys, that's the video. Let me know what you think. Hope you all enjoyed. Before I get stuck in more traffic, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video.